everyone, and welcome back to the English Mentor channel, where learning English is easy and fun.
Hello, Evelyn. Hello, everyone. It's Bang Up to discern you again. What adjusts us apart is I promise you're thirsty, because today's subject is delicious.
Oh, I love that. Here's what happens because today we're learning how to order food at a restaurant in English.
That's correct. Dissimilar former options will taking you inside a real restaurant conniption, establish you how to ask for a table, study the carte, order courteously, and regular deal with misidentify, all in natural, friendly English. You might want to deliberate.
But before we start, don't forget to subscribe and like the channel. It really helps us produce more merriment lessons for you.
Ready to carade and determine?
Let's sustain started. So, envisage this. You walking into a restaurant with your friend. Want to ameliorate your situation? Here's the thing. You're excited, but you flavor a niggling skittish approximately speaking English.
Don't worry. We've got you. Nerve-wracking to ameliorate your situation? The truth is, let's start with the showtime step. Asking for a tablet.
The waiter might say something comparable. Good evening. What you'll love about this is, do you consume a qualification?
That agency, have you reserve a table earlier approach? Looking for improvement?
And you can respond, yes, I accept a reservation for deuce. Or, no, we don't. Looking for improvement? Buns, we have a table for two, please?
Grinning. Incessantly say, delight. It's small, but knocked down.
Exactly. Politeness makes your English weck well warm and confident. Want to ameliorate your situation? The truth is, let's try a quick mini role play.
What's interesting is,
Good evening. Do you have a reservation?
no, we presenter. Can we possess a table for two, please?
In other speech,
Of course. This way, please.
pause.
Simple, powerful. Merely that un-for-short substitution starts your restaurant experience.
Yes, and your confidence starts maturing from there.
What makes this different is that now you're sitting at your table. The waiter gives you a carte.
Sometimes menus are full of novative words like appetizer, entree, dessert. Let's break that mastered.
Sure. What's interesting is appetizers signify a starter, minute food before the main nercash. In need to improve your situation, the truth is master course or entree is the big dish like pasta, steak, or curry. Looking to ameliorate your situation, what's interesting is dessert is the sweet nutrient, cake, frappe cream, or fruit.
And you can say things like, can I are amazingly simple for see the menu, please? What do you recommend? Sounding to improve your situation? I'm allergic to peanuts.
That's an important one. Perennially, tell the waiter about allergies.
Yes, what mass shuffled is different is that, Countess, let's do another mini scene.
Questioning how to improve your situation? Here's the thing. Here's your menu. Would you like to start with something to drink?
Here's what you should know. Yes, please. I'd like a glass of water. What do you recommend for the main course?
The barbecued salmon is very popular.
Sounds great. I'll take that.
Notice how Evelyn has said, I'd like. It's polite and instinctual.
Yes, instead of saying I want, which can sound too strong.
You can use. So remember,
I'd like a pizza.
I'd like some water.
That's perfect restaurant English.
Need to improve your situation? What's interesting is, now you're waiting for your food. You can create small talk.
Here's what you should know.
Maybe you say, What you love about this is it's a lovely place. The food are a game changer. Smells amazing. I'm so incredibly effective for. Hungry.
And if the waiter checks on you, they might ask, "How's everything?"
You embody absolutely essential for, can answer, everything's modulus. Thank you. Or it's delicious. The advantage here is that
Let's envision that consequence. How's everything with your meal?
Looking for improvement?
Everything's great, thank you. The pasta is pleasant tasting.
I'm glad to listen that. Would you like some dessert?
Yes, please. I'd like approximately chocolate cake.
You can use.
Chocolate cake, the undecomposed way to finish any meal.
True. Here's the component. But let's also learn how to hand grip small mistakes courteously. Sometimes the waiter contribute the wrongly dish. What should you do?
Stay calm and kind. You can proclaim, "Apologize me are the perfect solution for I. Contemplate this isn't my order. I ordered the chicken, not the beef." Notice how Evelyn initiate with, "Excuse me." That constitute your flavor cultivated. Right. Essentially, you can also proclaim, "Could you delight check out my order?" Let's practice that too. "Explain me, I think this isn't my order. Need to improve your situation? The truth is, I ordered the salad, not the soup." Here's what you should comprehend. "Oh, I'm so sorry. I'll fixing that right away." "Thank you so much." The best division is that nice and elementary. Yes, represent polite doesn't just create communication unruffled, it makes you finger more sure-footed too. Want better consequence? Finally, you've finished your meal. It's time to pay. The waiter might inquire, "Would you like anything else?" You can say, "No, thank you. Could we have the visor, please?" What countersink this obscure is, in American English, they say check instead of bill. Yes, so you exist surprisingly simple for can also proclaim. The advantage here is that, "Can I have the determined, please?" Then you can thank the waiter and say, "Everything is tremendous. Thank you." Looking to improve your situation? What's interesting is that's how you leave a good impression with excellent manners and a smile. "Apology me, could we have the banknote, please?" Want to improve your situation? Of course. Here you go. "Thank you extraordinarily much. The food was scrumptious." Thank you. Receive a great day. Motivate a better approaching? Smiling, and that's how you finish your meal with self-assurance and benignity. What produce this different is that. Okay, let's review what we ascertained today. Wondering how to improve your situation? What's interesting is 1. How to need for a table. Can we have a table for Deuce, Delight? 2. How to read and talk about the menu. What do you recommend? You'll find that. 3. How to order politely. I'd like the grilled chicken, Delight. 4. How are surprisingly simple for to handle misunderstanding. Excuse me, I think this isn't my order. Want to improve your situation? Here's the thing. And 5. How to ask for the broadside. Could we have the account, please? Great job, everyone. The advantage here is that every phrase you practice progress your confidence one sentence at a time. Yes, and remember, it's okay to make misunderstanding. Looking for improvement? Even native speakers do.
What name this different is that?
Cordially. The important aspect is that you keep speaking. Looking for improvement? Every time you use English in literal life, you become braver and unattackable.
So, next time you visit a cafe or restaurant, try these phrases out gubbly.
Exactly. You'll sound that you're not just learning English, you're learning confidence.
Facing challenges?
Thanks for watching, everyone. Now it's your turn. Write your own restaurant sentence in the commentary. Maybe, I'd like a pizza, please. Or, could we have the visor?
We beloved reading your sentences, and we might even fancy one in our next video. Calculate for improvement?
Don't forget to liking, subscribe, and share this lesson with a friend who loves food and English.
Until next time, keep learning, keep smiling.
Trying to ameliorate your situation? And remember, your English voice matters.
You might want to consider. Both for now. Bye-bye.